In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Twilio Service ID. Whether you're new to Twilio or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you step by step through this process. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Twilio console. Go ahead and launch your web browser and navigate to the Twilio website. Once there, enter your login details. If you have two-factor authentication set up, don't forget to complete that step. It's all part of ensuring the security of your Twilio account. Once you're logged in and comfortably situated on the Twilio dashboard, look over to the side menu. There should be a section labeled Messaging. Click on that. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Services from that list. This is where you manage your messaging services, and importantly, where you find the SID we're looking for. As you enter the Services section, you'll see a list of all the messaging services associated with your Twilio account. Take a moment to locate the specific messaging service you're interested in. If you have many services, scrolling through the list may take a bit, so don't rush. You'll want to make sure you select the correct one for your needs. In the main listing of services, you should see a column labeled SID. This is where you will find the IDs you need. Notice that they all begin with the letters MG. That prefix identifies them as Messaging Service SIDs, which will help you distinguish them from other types of SIDs you might encounter in Twilio. For instance, you might see something like MG9752274E9E5194188A7406176669 or 66FA. Once you've identified the service you're looking for, click on the service name. This action will open the Properties page specific to that messaging service. Right at the top of this page, in a prominent location, you'll find the full messaging service SID listed. This is the complete ID that you'll need for whatever task you're undertaking, whether it's integrating with another application or filling in a form. With your messaging service SID in hand, you're all set to proceed with the rest of your project. Remember, this SID is your unique identifier that allows you to interact with and manage specific aspects of your messaging service within Twilio. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to locating your Twilio Service ID, all done seamlessly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy messaging.